Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sketching a lion cub. You might recognize this pose. It's inspired by the iconic Lion King poster I found online. I've always been deeply drawn to the nature. I love observing animal behavior, which is probably why I am a zoology student. You can see that influence throughout my work. I usually find myself painting animals, nature, or spiritual themes. It's rarely intentional, I just draw what I feel, though I do enjoy jumping on a train every now and then. As I work on this sketch today, I wanted to share something fascinating about lion cubs. Have you ever noticed how massive their paws look compared to their small bodies? In zoology, we call this allometric growth. This is when certain body parts grow at a different rate than the rest of the organism. For these cubs, those oversized paws aren't just cute, they are nature's way for providing stability and room to grow into the powerful apex predator they are meant to become. People often ask why I paint so many spiritual or god paintings. It's because I am obsessed with the eternal artist who designed this world. Everything is so perfectly adapted to its habitat. Think about it. A frog goes into hibernation all winter, only to emerge the moment the first raindrop hits the ground. Even on a microscopic level, a virus might stay inactive while our immunity is strong, waiting for its moment. It reminds me that every living thing, including us, has been given the power to manage its own existence in this beautiful, complex world. And with that final stroke, the drawing is complete. I really wanted to share these thoughts with you today as I sketched. I hope this inspires you to look at the natural world a little differently. Let's try to live our life in harmony with our animal friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.